Are you a go-getter girl? If you are, come with me as we check out this brand new Efflorescence collection from Go Getter Girl. This collection includes brand new wire, disc, and book-bound planners and notebooks. Hi, I'm Katie, your teacher from the Planner School. Subscribe to the Planner channel to watch new planning videos every week. Let's start the unboxing with this beautiful new signature wire planner 5-in-1 goal setting weekly, monthly, and daily planner. Each of the planners comes with a snap-in bookmark, which you can obviously place anywhere in your planner. If you leave just a little bit sticking out the top, it's super easy to see where your place is left off. Each planner has an intro, dream, plan, and extras section tab. I'll do a more detailed flip through in a future video. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what the inside looks like in this planner before we unbox the rest of the goodies. Next up is one of the notebooks, and this one is a dot grid bullet journal, and they come in so many different pretty designs and styles. All the planners and notebooks have premium paper. The journals also come with these two nice satin ribbon bookmarks. Next up is a brand new planner for Go Getter Girl. It is the Undated 4-in-1 Scalloped Disc Planner. Eee! It has large clear plastic discs, 9 discs. It comes with a clear frosted front and back cover, and then you get to add your own decorative cover behind that to make it any color you want. It comes with a matching clear bookmark that fits on the discs. Let's do a quick flip through of this planner as well. And it has everything the signature 5-in-1 planner has except two differences. This one is an undated planner, and also it has monthly and daily pages, but not the weekly spreads. Since this one is undated, it also comes with your monthly clear labels to add to your tabs. Both planners have this nice pocket folder in the back. Okay, let's check out these beautiful snap-in covers. They come in a bunch of different colors, so you can mix and match and get whichever ones you want that goes with your season or your favorite style. Let's pop on this pink ombre planner cover and see how it looks. It's so pretty! And we'll add the back cover. All the details about Go Getter Girl's Efflorescence collection is in the description box, along with some coupon codes and information about bundles and savings for this collection. Enjoy!